in today's video I will let you know how to create a conversion campaign. You can create a conversion campaign and use the same. Go to the dashboard, and once you click on it, you will see different option, two different options. You can do one thing also, you can import your Facebook campaign. So I will use switch to advanced create option right now. Here we have the objectives. If you are aware of Facebook ads, you know we need to categorize particular campaigns. Check the select method if you have already implemented as you can see now in the keyword section, as my targeted audience, people who are searching for our URL is perfectly redirected and working. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you know, we are working on the Reddit campaign videos and we have a full playlist of the same. In today's video I will let you know how to create a conversion campaign through which we will redirect the visitor to the website and then they will take any action. So in the previous video I have told you how to implement the event code in the backend, and in those videos I have already tell you how to create a conversion event. So in this video I will let you know with the help of that conversion event how we can create a conversion campaign and use the same for advertisement. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So guys, let's start how to create a particular campaign in the Reddit's ad account. So first of all, you just need to go to the dashboard. As in the earlier videos I have told you how to create an event in the event manager section, and then how to create like add pixel in the backend. So in this video I let you know how to create a campaign. So first of all, you just need to go to the dashboard. As you can see, I am on the dashboard, and here you will get an option of create a campaign. As you can see, a create option is visible in the dashboard. With the help of this you can create new campaigns. So I just click on it, and once you click on it you will see different option, two different option. First one is to advanced create and second one is campaign import. So you can do one thing also, you can import your Facebook campaign. If you are running any Facebook advertisement campaign, you can import the same in the Reddit account as well. You just need to choose this option, switch to campaign import, and then you need to connect your Facebook account, and that is a different part. I will create a separate video for that. For now we just need to know how to create a conversion campaign. So I will use switch to advanced create option right now. So I'll click on it, and yes, we will click on the start over button, and as you can see now it will give us the same interface as Facebook advertisement give. So as you can see here we have the objectives like brand awareness, traffic, conversion, video views, app install, and these are the objective which Facebook will also prevent us. So as our main goal for this video is to create a conversion campaign, so what I'll do is I will click on the conversion objective and I will put campaign name, it's campaign 1, and I will name it test. And then if your campaign rely between any category, if you are aware of Facebook ads, you know we need to categorize particular campaigns. If we are running housing ads, employment or credit card regarding campaigns, we need to select this button for special category ad. But in the same way in Reddit account we need to do it as well. So I will click on the conversion button, and then I will check the select method. If you have already implemented a payment method in your Reddit accounts, and you can select it here. As you can see, I have added a credit card here, so I will choose it so that it will deduct the amount of the campaigns. When we run advertisement, amount will be deducted from this particular credit card. So after that you just need to go to the ad group section, and here you have all the options of targeting, like which kind of audience you want to target and what kind of like people you want to show your ads. So as you can see now we have different option here. One thing more which I want to tell you is like Reddit ad account will also give us the option to target keywords. As you heard about, keywords will be only targeted in the Google ads advertisement. We will use keywords in the Google ad advertisement, but yes, in the Reddit ads account we can choose the audience, that is a Facebook part, and keywords as well. So it is a good option which Reddit provide. With the help of this we can dedicatedly target our audience. So as you can see now in the keyword section, as my targeted audience, people who are searching for dental services, so I will write dental services near me. So I will write it and enter it. So as you can see, it will give us the other suggestions as well. I will use them as well. It's just a test campaign, so I will use these one as well, and other suggestion. You can see all suggestion will be here. I will add it all. So if you think the suggestions are good, then you can add it. So in this way you can add keywords in the campaign as well. And after that you have some audience suggestions. Like as you know, in Facebook we are targeting a particular audience which is created in the Facebook detailed targeting options. In the same way we have community audience here. So as you can see, there are a lot of audience, like people who have interest in music, today learn, movies. So you can target according to your niche. As my niche is dental, so I will change our dental school. So basically this is the type of audience which you can target. Like I have added a test audience. You can add it as per your convenience. You need to search it, the audience, your audience here, and then you can add it. And after that you can also add groups, interest groups. Like as you know your project, like your website well, then you need to find out or research a particular interest which you think your visitor will be have, so that you can add it here. So as let me test it, I will use these ones. So now I have targeted the interest group as a test. You can choose it from your particular visitors, because you know your campaigns, your website objective very well. So you can find out your particular people who have interest in your particular services, then you can choose it from here. After that we have the same option in the Facebook, like automated targeting, where if the algorithm thinks they will reach the user beyond the Reddit audience. So you can choose it as well, so that if like Reddit algorithm thinks these people are really interested in your services, they will target it automatically. So I will check of this targeting, because I want use like Reddit algorithm to run campaigns. After that, if you have created some custom audiences, like if you have created an audience by using the pixel in the website, you want to retarget them, you can create custom audience here, and then you can target the same in the campaign as well. This is a the custom audience is a separate part. I will create a separate video for the same, so that you have an idea what I'm talking about. And after that you can include the location. Basically demographic section will provide you the option, like which particular country, which particular city you want to target in the campaign. As let me target United States here. As my target location is United States, I want to target the people of United States, so I will use target location United States as our demographics. Or after that you have an option to exclude locations as well. So if you think you will get an audience from Australia as well and you don't want that audience, then you can put Australia here, so that that audience, like particular Australian audience, will not able to see your ads. So this is the demographic part of your audience targeting. And after that it is a device part, like which particular device you want to target, whether you want to target iOS people, Android people, or desktop. If you don't want to show your ads on desktop, then you can check this off. And if you only want to target people who are on iOS, then you can do it from here as well. So as you can see, I have targeted the iOS targeting here. The people who see our ads are only iOS people, like people who are using iOS operating system, basically iPhone users. So after that you have the option to save audience. You can save it as well. Once you save it, all the audience which you have created here will save automatically. And then you just need to choose your conversion goal. As you can see in the previous video, I have told you how to create a conversion event, and we have created a lead event. When somebody land on the thank you page, a lead event will automatically track the lead. So I have created that as well, and now you need to choose it here, so that once a person who will land on the website through the Reddit ad and make contact form submission, then it will be count as a conversion in our Reddit ad account. So this is how we do it. This is how we like add audiences, keywords, basically audience targeting and that will be done in the ad group level. And after that we need to move forward, and that is like ad part. And let me show you how ad part is working. Now I'm coming on the ad part, and here first thing you need to do is add your destination URL as destination URL where you want people to redirect after clicking on your ad. So as my website is this, so I will choose copy it and paste it here. So after that it will check the website whether it's crawl or not, and once you check your URL is good to go, as you can see, you just need to click on the preview button as well to check whether the URL is compatible with Reddit guidelines or not. As our URL is perfectly redirected and working, our website is working fine, and if some error is occurring in your website, it will be showcased here. But as our website is completely fine, so it will not showcasing any error to us. And as you can see, now we need to create an ad. So for creating an ad, you have the content like image, video, which you want to use for the advertisement. Like people will see that particular thing, like whether it's an image or a video, so that they will like encourage or they will easily convert. So as you can see, now we have three options here: image, video, carousel. If you want to run a carousel ad, you can use this option. If you want to run a video ad, you can use this option, and if you want to run an image ad, you can use this option. As right now I'm using an image ad, so I will choose this option. And after that I will like, if you have already posted something on Reddit account, you can choose from there as well, as there are a lot of things which I have posted here, so I will choose one of them. But if you manually want to upload a particular image or video, then you need to choose these options like browse file, browse thumbnail, image. As I have already created a post, I can use them as well, so I will choose like this one. And now as you can see, it's showcasing how people will see our ads, as looking for a gentle dentist in Nanaimo. And then what is our call to action? It's get a quote, as I have used it. So this is how your ad will be created if you are using a particular post. And if you want to choose a different post, you can do it here as well. And this is how you can create an ad by using a post which you have already posted on your Reddit account. And other things like and if you want to directly upload image, then you just need to click on the button. And if you have downloaded or used any picture, as I haven't any picture right now here, so if I talk about this one, let me choose this one. So you can do it here. As you can see, now it's upload. So this is how you can manually upload an image or video, so that it will showcase to the visitors. As it is a test one, I want to choose a post, so I will choose it from here. And now everything is ready. I have put my URL, destination URL, my content, my call to action, and you can choose like other things as well. If you want to add some more content, you can do it from here. Like if you want to add something more, then you can use from here. As Reddit ad will give us the option to use above 300 character. As we have 300 character limit, we can't use above them, so we need to make sure that our content will be in the 300 characters, so that it will be easily showcased to the visitors. So now everything is ready. I have added the URL, I have added the audience at the ad group level, I have choose the particular goal, particular conversion event as a lead, which I have created in the event manager section. So this is how we do it. This is how we create a particular campaign in Reddit, and basically a conversion campaign where we are redirecting the visitor to the website, and then they will take any action. Now you just need to click on the review button, and then it will show you all the things like what is your particular location, what keyword you are using, which ad you are using, all will be showcased here. And then you can just click on the publish button, and once you click on the publish button, it will showcase you the campaign in the dashboard. And Now we will go to the dashboard. As you can see, campaign 1 test, it is showcasing here. So this is how we do it. This is how we create a like conversion campaign in the Reddit account. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any other query and concern, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen. And if you want to work with us, you can directly contact us. Thank you so much.